that? Oh, it's a right, everyone, out on the fields of Somerset, out with, look who I'm with. I'm out with Andy. I'll put a link in the description for him. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's wet and windy, as you can probably see with the camera moving around. Enjoy. I'm not too sure what we're going to find, but enjoy and see at the first hole, no matter what it is. Thank you very much. Oh, we've got a 12, 11, 12. Occasionally goes to a 14. It's the first hole. Right, it's out. I can see it. It's a bit of crap. Just there. Just a bit of. Oh, just a bit of crap. I'm trying out a new digging tool. So let's see how we go with this one. Just a bit of rust. Rusty old bolt. Or nut, I should say. Just a nut. $58, $59. And it's peeing down now. Right, now the hole's open, it's a 60. I'll take one more scoop out. It's out. It's out. Pinpoint, I think. Oh, there it is there. Don't need a pinpointer. Just seen it. On our first coin. On our first coin. Who's that going to be? George. Yeah, George the fifth. George the fifth penny. Oh, there you go. 19. I can't quite make it out. It's 1923 or 26. I can't quite make it out. But yeah, first coin. Boom. There you go. What we got? Something fancy. Is it over a drawer? Is it part of a drawer where the handle goes through? I don't know. There you go. Oh, it's round. Is it a button? That's the question. Yeah, it's a button. Never mind. Does it have a pattern on it? No, it's just a pewter button. Broken shank. Oh, there you go. Move tube. Never mind. Just had a 14 solid, no matter which way round I went. That's a little button. Just a little button. Now. Oh, I didn't expect to find that. Banging 9091. We got a padlock. Never mind. What is that? I think it was a mount of some sort at some stage. Pin there, pin there, pin there. Can't see anything written on it. No fancy patterns. But yeah, 3 pins there. There might be another bit in there. I'll have a look. I think it's a coin. Yeah, just scuffed it. Halfpence, I think. Don't know whether I'm going to be able to get a monarch off of that. It's very, very thin. Very thin indeed. But no, I can't get anything off of that. So let's hope that the person who fell off their horse and broke their buckle, or their horse mount, they dropped this coin as well, maybe. We'll see. Right, there's the, I don't know if you can see, there's the imprint. I think it's a coin. It could be a button. Let's see. There's no clip on the back. Yeah, got another coin. That was a 55. 55 all round. Right underneath the power lines. Right underneath them. It's chatty on the Manticore. But coin's a coin. And there you go. What's that? A coin. Do you know what? I think it is. Just put that there a second. Take this glove off. Spritzer out. I mean, it might be a button. Let's see. Oh, I think it's a button. I don't know. Something around the outside, but yeah, I think I'm going to go with a button, and if it's anything else then you'll know. But I believe I'm just wondering if that was where it was. Yeah, I think it was a button. So yeah, we'll go with a button. Maybe not, but we'll see. We'll see when it's been cleaned up properly. Yeah, I'm going to go with button. It's always nice to find a pipe bowl, even though it is split, where it's actually in half, just sitting on the surface. Yeah, nice little pipe bowl, an old clay pipe. Happy with that. Just literally just sitting on the surface, just down there. Happy days. 47.48. 47.48, so it doesn't matter which way round I go, it's the same. So, mood tube or a bit of lead.
I think I got a broken hammered.
Well done. Oh, is that hammered? Is that a hammered? Or is it a button? I've got a hammered. Have we got a hammered? Please be hammered. Oh, let's get the gloves off and have a look. Oh, what's that? What is that? Oh, it's a George III or George I, and it's not a hammered. It's definite silver though. I haven't got a clue. I've never seen one of them before. I think it's George III. I might be wrong. I'll do close-ups for you on the screen. Right then, it's been a blowy one and a wet one today. Really enjoyed it. Got 4 coins, I think it is. 2 toasted, 1 George V and 1 Charles II, 2 pence. Silver. Got silver. Sorry about the hat, I'm absolutely mobbed here. I'm worn out, but it's been a good day. It's been a long day, but it's been a good day. Please go over and follow Andy from Andy's Detecting Adventures. Well worth it. He's good videos. Always produces good videos. But yeah, if you've got this far, thank you very much. Much appreciated. And see you at the next. Don't know when it'll be, but see you at the next. Thank you very much. Bye.